Hello everybody, I'm Realtor Robert Crow here in Fort Collins, Colorado with Remax Alliance, and today we are doing a video walking tour of my new listing at 2205 Stanford Road in the South College Heights neighborhood, Midtown, Fort Collins. As always, I like to start off with a drone shot there. Shows you what a nice backyard there is. 0.19 of an acre, and yes, I wish the snow had melted, but it is February and it is Colorado, but as you know, in Colorado the snow melts pretty quick, well, especially up here on the Front Range. Come on in, 2205 Stanford Road. This is a cute as a button ranch home with a finished basement to boot. So it's about 2,026 square feet total, split evenly between the main level and the basement. There are 3 bedrooms on this main level, but first of all, we're going to start off in the living room. Vaulted ceilings. You don't see this very often in South College Heights homes, so this is it's a little bonus there. And you've got what I would assume to be the original hardwood floors. Those hardwood floors spread throughout the living area. Little shot there of that picture frame. My friend Jessica McMaster and I collaborated on this, and she has done all the macrame artwork for the staging. All this is staging furniture that you're going to see. So check out some of that artwork on the video and also when you come visit the property. So from the dining area there into the kitchen. The kitchen's been updated. Lovely subway backsplash there. All matching white appliances, some good quality cabinetry in this kitchen. This house was built in 1961, so you can tell that is not cabinetry that is 60 years old. It has been replaced in the last, I'd say 5 to 10 years. Stainless steel sink. Everything's in great condition in this property. We're going to come out from the kitchen. You saw that little writing desk computer area there. Nest thermostat on the wall. Whole house fan. You can see the controls there behind the artwork. Great little cover on that, so when you don't need it in the winter, it's covered up. But if you're not familiar with whole house fans, they are phenomenal and very energy efficient. However, this home also has air conditioning, so you've got both there. The windows, I would tell you 90% of the windows on this main level have been replaced with vinyl, modern vinyl double pane windows. I think it's only the 3rd bedroom that still has the original windows there. What else to tell you? Ceiling fan in this room. This is the primary. It's about 10 by 12.5 feet. So that bed is my staging bed. That's a queen bed. So a good sized room, especially given that the house was built in 1961. Come on through to the next guest room. Like I said, 3 rooms, 3 bedrooms on this floor. My client used this as his office. So I've got a little shot here in a second of what I believe to be Cat5 internet cabling. I know for a lot of people, having that super fast internet, very, very important. The hardware on these doors has been updated. This is that 3rd bedroom. You can see there we've still got those aluminum windows. I don't know why they weren't switched out, but they weren't. But the rest of them have been done. All these rooms are about 10 by 10, and the hardwoods are beautiful. You know, so often we go in these properties in this neighborhood and there's carpet on the floor, and you just really keep your fingers crossed that when you pull it up, you're going to go ahead and see hardwoods. So we saved you the trouble. They're there. This is a full bathroom with tub and shower there. Subway tile. I love subway tile. It never goes out of fashion. In 30, 40 years time, I still think we're going to be putting up subway tile in homes. Alrighty, come on around. Oh, there's a skylight. 2 skylights in this home. Not my favorite camera shot there with the bar going across, but had to get that one in. Nest thermostat, like I mentioned. Quick shot there of the updated living room. That is an electric fireplace. I love the tile that my owner used on that fireplace there. We'll head out back in a minute. 0.19 of an acre back there, and I'll remind myself right now to tell you all about the fruits and plants back there too. That's the door to the garage. We'll pop in there in a moment. That's a 1-car garage, but join me down in the basement. Let's go down the stairs. So this is like a little studio. There's a kitchenette in place already, and then you've got your furnace down here. You've got a tankless hot water heater, and the washer and dryer would be located down here. Washer and dryer is not included in this sale. I showed you those there because you might miss them when you go visit. There are some outlets underneath those cabinets. Radon is mitigated, actively mitigated. That is a spot there for a refrigerator. There's your tankless hot water heater. There is your furnace. HVAC was all updated in the last 10 years, so that's phenomenal. Come on through to this carpeted area. I could see this being an office. I could see it being a workout room. My client set up his musical equipment there. And then this is one of my absolute favorite rooms in the house. It essentially is a non-conforming bedroom, non-conforming because there's not an egress window, but he turned it into his movie room and it's all wired as well. So in that closet there with the curtains, you can have your amplifier and the wires run from that closet through the walls back here and you can see one poking out. This is why I love video, people. You can't show that in a photograph. It sounds weird if you put it in text in the listing, but in a video, it works, right? If it doesn't, let me know. You know where to find me. Come on out. We're gonna pass through that flex area again. Again, weight room, office, put your drum kit there if you want to. And then we have another non-conforming bedroom. So this would be, well, this is the 4th non-conforming bedroom, but if you count that movie room, that would be the 5th. And it's not too difficult to get a company to come in and put those egress windows in. My current owners didn't need to, but it's a phone call. And I think on average, it's about $3,000 to get that done. Come on round, there's the kitchenette, there's the closets that house the HVAC and the on-demand water heater, not on-demand, tankless we're meant to call them. And then this is just a storage area, which again, if you wanted to, you could finish this room, put in an egress window, and this could essentially be a 6-bedroom house. 6 bedrooms in 2,023 square feet. That's not bad. But that makes a great little storage room there for your backpacks, biking stuff. This bathroom has been fully remodeled. I love it. Mud set shower pan there. Walk-in shower. It's even got a rain shower and then your typical on-the-wall shower. Niche there for all your shampoos and hair products. Beautifully done. That is so cool. So you know what? Whoever gets that non-conforming basement room, basement bedroom gets the best bathroom in the house. Although the one upstairs, pretty cute as well. Come on around. Here's a shot of our stairs going on up, and I think we're gonna head into the garage. Yes, we are. My owner recently just insulated and drywalled and painted all this. Some good storage in here. The garage door is automatic, great little opener, working fine. Little above garage door storage. And then we've got a drop down. The actual fan for the radon system is up in that attic area. And there's also some storage for you. Now that Viking boat looking thing there is a hammock stand. And if you'd like it, seller is leaving it. Those are old washing lines, very typical to see in this 1960s neighborhood, but there's grapevines growing on there right now, and they give you thousands of grapes every year. HVAC, as I mentioned, less than 10 years old, and you can see there that the air conditioner was pretty new. There's your garden shed included in the sale, covered back patio, there's plum trees back here, there's cherry trees. There's my buddy, the statue of the squirrel. We might throw him into the sale as well. Thanks everybody for joining me on my tour of 2205 Stanford Road in Fort Collins, Colorado. Any questions, reach out to me using the information on screen. And as always, have a smashing day.